Removing a Google account from your iPhone 16 helps manage your device's storage and maintain privacy by removing synced data when you no longer need the account. Here's how to get this done. First, swipe up from the bottom of the display to return to the home screen and then tap on the Settings icon. Once you're in the Settings app menu, scroll down and tap on Apps. From the list of apps, find and select Mail by tapping on it. This will take you to the Mail app settings menu. To continue, tap on Mail Accounts. Another screen opens with all saved accounts on your device. Find Gmail and tap on it to proceed. Once you're in the Gmail account settings, tap Delete Account at the bottom section. Finally, tap Delete from My iPhone to confirm action. Deleting a Gmail's Google account on your iPhone can also be a drastic troubleshooting step for email-related issues, as it completely removes the account's connection and data from your device. This allows for a fresh start. Note that this process affects all Gmail data, including emails, contacts, and calendar events associated with this Google account from your device. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more helpful smartphone tutorials and troubleshooting guides.